Question number 1. Dr. Bhuban Hazarika is famously known by which of the following titles, reflecting his deep connection to the geography and spirit of Assam? Correct answer is option B, Bard of Brahmaputra. Question number 2. Which of the following biological processes explains why human muscles often feel sore or cramped after a certain intense bout of physical exercise? Correct answer is option D, accumulation of lactic acid. Question number 3. The Fortaleza Declaration of 2014 is most famous in BRICS history for the creation of which of the following? Correct answer is option B, the Contingent Reserve Arrangement. Question number 4. Who was awarded the 2025 Pulitzer Prize for fiction for a novel that serves as a provocative and satirical reimagining of the life of Jim from Mark Twain's Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? Correct answer is option B, Percival Everett. Question number 5. Which of the following correctly describes the Nisar mission? Correct answer is option D, joint ISRO NASA mission using L and S band radar. Question number 6. In a standard FIBA game, how many quarters are played and how long is each quarter? Correct answer is option B, 4 10-minute quarters. Question number 7. India hosted the 2025 Men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup. Which of the following correctly states the location, host city name, and timing of this event? Correct answer is option C, Chennai and Madurai, Tamil Nadu, from November 28 to December 10, 2025. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs of minerals and its leading producing state in India is correctly matched? Correct answer is option A, bauxite Odisha. Question number 9. Which indicator is used to measure the knowledge dimension of the Human Development Index? Correct answer is option B, mean years of schooling and expected years of schooling. Question number 10. From a macroeconomic perspective, which indicator best captures the government's borrowing requirement, excluding interest payments on past debt? Correct answer is option B, primary deficit. Question number 11. What constitutes the primary objective of the Gyan Bharatam mission? Correct answer is option A, preserving, digitizing, disseminating India's manuscript heritage. Question number 12. Why did Alauddin Khilji introduce market control regulations? Correct answer is option B, to keep prices low for soldiers. Question number 13. Which historical process is best reflected by the evolution of temple architecture in India? Correct answer is option D, continuous integration of religion and regional styles. Question number 14. Regarding hit and run cases under section 106 clause 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, what is the maximum punishment if an offender causes death by rash and negligent driving and fails to inform a police officer or magistrate? Correct answer is option A, imprisonment up to 10 years and a fine. Question number 15. Which statement about Lord Wellesley's subsidiary alliance was incorrect? Correct answer is option A, Indian rulers could freely employ Europeans. Question number 16. Which statement about the Vice President of India is correct? Statement 1. C.P. Radhakrishnan became Vice President on 12th September 2025. Statement 2. Nominated MPs can vote in the Vice Presidential election. Correct answer is option B, only 2. Question number 70. Which statement is or are correct? Statement 1. NASA launched the Spherex telescope to study the universe's cosmic glow. Statement 2. The MACE telescope is located at Hanley, Ladakh. Correct answer is option B, both 1 and 2. Question number 18. When a state law Statement number 1. When a state law and a union law on a concurrent list subject conflict, the union law prevails. Statement number 2. A state law may continue to operate if it has the president's assent. Which is correct? Correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 90. The second 5-year plan based on the Mahalanobis model mainly focused on Correct answer is option A, rapid industrialization, especially heavy industries. Question number 20. Statement number 1. Dugong is protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Statement 2. Schedule 1 provides the highest level of legal protection similar to the tiger. Which statement is or are correct? Correct answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Question number 21. Which of the following statements regarding Nowruz is correct? Correct answer is option B. It is the Persian New Year celebrated on the spring equinox, introduced in by Ghiyasuddin Balban. Question number 22. Which of the following was a primary objective of liberalization within the new economic policy of 1991? Correct answer is option B, abolishing industrial licensing for most industries to encourage private entry. Question number 23. Statement 1. Aman Shekharawat won a bronze medal in men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling. Statement 2. He became India's youngest individual Olympic medalist. Which statements is or are correct? Correct answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Question number 24. Which of the following is correctly matched? Correct answer is option A, second schedule, emoluments and privileges of president and governors. Question number 25. Statement 1. Sojila Pass connects the Kashmir Valley with Ladakh. Statement 2. Shipkila Pass is located in Arunachal Pradesh and is the entry point of the Brahmaputra into India. Which statements is or are correct? Correct answer is option C, only 1. So that's it for today, guys. Comment your score below. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.